Sunsation has always been on the cutting edge of technology. We are very advanced in our research and development. We build a product that has raised the bar on our competition.
We put a tremendous amount of time in the research and development of the boat prior to being built, while it's being built, and also we spent a tremendous amount of hours on the water, testing, developing, changing dimensions, props, the handling characteristics, the balance of the boat. I don't think there's much of a better way to do it.
The ability to design in-house in a CAD-based environment, take that file, download it into the CNC router that we have on the shop floor, and produce parts in minutes. It's huge for development.
We actually have an R&D room, research and design room, where the actual plug is built. We build a perfect plug, and then we pull a perfect mold off of that. We use a sandwich construction because what you get is you get an I-beam effect. The farther you separate the bottom and top layers of your laminate, the stronger the boat becomes. We use a pre-treated balsa core for that purpose to keep the boat as light so that we can keep it as fast, because performance is obviously, a very important issue that we deal with.
Our product is continually developing, constantly throughout the process. We're updating, making it a tighter product, making it better, more efficient, more effective.
Sunsation is working on some of the latest technology. The envelope is being pushed with stepped hulls by all builders. Sunsation is doing some great development on hull bottoms. There's more to a boat than just going top line speed. It's about handling in corners and handling in rough conditions. Sunsation boat is probably second to none in that regard.
No boats leave the factory without my signature. When all the rigging is complete, they get me and I go through the boat and inspect them. Each person is trained in each area, so they're pretty well rehearsed on what they have to do on a day-to-day basis.
We were in racing in the 60s with Fords, and we did ergonomic studies with their GT program. And so all the background that we have helped us change techniques when I was at the auto industry, and then I brought them all along into the boat industry.
We try and design, fast design, something that makes...
Go out, we'll take a run in it, we'll get the group together as a team, and we all work as a team.
We like the employees to experience a boat, go out in them, ride in them, to see what the consumers are actually doing and how the boat runs through the water. They have a lot better understanding of why you need to do things right, why it's important to have checklists, everything to be fastened down properly, and to build a high-end product, they have to have a better understanding, and that really allows them to have it.
It's hard to understand the actual punishment that these boats take out there. And once you actually get out on the water and you're feeling it pounding through those waves, you get a pretty clear picture on exactly how perfect everything has to be.
There's no other better way than to actually take one of your units and use it for a weekend from the time you uncover it to the time you recover it. If you do that and you pass that down to the other key people in the company, that as the company grows, you will always have that hands-on knowledge of how things work.
When we build a boat at Sunsation, we take pride, as if we were building each and every boat for ourselves.
When you're close like we are, close, small company, we all feel that that's part of us. That's your blood, sweat, and tears went into that. We do care that people are very satisfied about the product, and that makes us feel good.
Working here at Sunsation, you're not just a number. Everybody knows everybody else, and everybody works together and tries to put out the best product.
We make the employee number one. We care about their families, we care about them individually. We do what we can for each and every employee.
That's in the actual hearts and the minds of everybody that works at Sunsation. The effect that everything that they do is going to affect how much fun or how safe that you are out on the water with that. We like to think that we don't necessarily build boats, that we build people's dreams.
We are a big family here. The way we associate with one another, the way we basically have respect for one another, And basically, the aura that exists around here for what we're doing, the total drive, is all in the same direction, and it's shared amongst this big family.
We care about all our employees, and in turn they care about what they do, which is the reflection of how these boats are built and put out on the market.